Recording in progress.
Ibibigay na rin para hindi na tayo iikot mamaya. Good morning po. Pinakikiusapan po ang lahat na pumunta na po sa kanya-kanyang lugar at tayo po sa ilang sandali ay magsisimula na sa ating regular session. Iwasan lang po natin ang mga paglalakad na nakaka-distract po sa ating sesyon.
Magandang umaga po. We now call our 19th regular session to order. Ma'am Secretary, please call the roll. Thank you.
Honorable Peter Alfaro is on privilege leave. Honorable Ryan Shoson. Honorable Elorde Masangkay.
Present.
Honorable Cirilo Tejoso Jr.
Present.
Honorable Julius Glenn Espejo is on privilege leave. Honorable Jose Franco Mendiola is sick leave. Honorable Roderick Agas. Honorable Sonia Pablo.
Present.
Honorable Arneldo Argame. Honorable Alex Del Valle.
Present.
Honorable Eddie Rodriguez. Honorable Alan Credo. Honorable Aina Baticados.
Present.
Honorable Ruben Aldava is on official business. We have 11 present, including the presiding officer.
Okay, with the attendance of 11 members, the chair declares presence of quorum. Please all rise for our national anthem and the prayer to be led by Bukal Attorney Jun Tejoso.
Okay. So in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. Almighty and ever-living God, we thank you for the gift of a new day and for gathering us once again as stewards of public service for the people of Occidental Mindoro. Grant us wisdom, humility, and discernment as we deliberate on matters entrusted to us. May our discussions be guided not by pride or self-interest, but by the sincere desire to serve the common good. Remind us, Lord, that true leadership is found in listening, cooperation, and respect, not in grandstanding or seeking recognition for ourselves. Bless our presiding officer, all members of this honorable body, and everyone present today. May this session be fruitful, harmonious, and always aligned with your divine will. We ask all this through your holy name. Amen. In the name of the Father, Son, and
Ako bayo man rum, ako atay robatum, sadik pira sinibum, lalo makapan rum, ang katawati gawin, pinagpalibang rum.
Mga Kalalawigan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telos ang sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit kong pagaw, ay hinatang tula, kawin sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na naghihingi, ang bituin at karoon niya kailan, ang ay di maghihingi, lumalang
Morning. Bukal Ryan Shelson, please act as temporary majority floor leader.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. Good morning to all my colleagues.
Morning.
Okay, we will now go to the fourth order of business, the reading and approval of the journal proceedings. Number 1, journal proceedings number 2025-36 for the 14th regular session dated October 14, 2025. I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Any second? Okay, with a motion for approval by our temporary majority floor leader, seconded by Bukal Rod Agas, our journal of proceedings for our 14th regular session is approved.
Madam Presiding Officer, I move for the deferment of journal proceedings number 2025-37 for the 15th regular session, journal proceedings number 2025-37 for the 16th regular session, and journal proceedings number 2025-38 for the 17th regular session, and lastly, journal proceedings number 2025-39 for the 18th regular session. I move for its deferment because it is under transcription, Madam Presiding Officer.
Any second? Okay. With a motion for deferment by our temporary majority floor leader, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, the reading and approval of the journal of proceedings of our 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th regular session are omnibussly deferred. We now go to the approval of the agenda of today's agenda.
Before we
Majority floor.
approve the agenda for today, Madam Presiding Officer, there's a lot of inclusion. Number 1 is for the FYI. Number 6, a letter from the legal office regarding the appropriation ordinance number 2025-9A, an ordinance granting authority to the Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable George Oriiro, to augment from MOE funds at the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan in the Municipality of Calintaan, Province of Occidental Mindoro. Number 2 is 8254, resolution amending PDC Executive Resolution number 4, series of 2025, changing the project title and reclassifying it from the Cassava Commodity Investment Matrix to the Onion Commodity Investment Matrix under the Provincial Commodity Investment Plan or PCIP 2024-2027. Next is Committee Referral 8256. It is a resolution approving the fiscal year supplemental annual investment program, AIP number 5 of the province of Occidental Mindoro. Next is Committee Referral 8257, a letter from Governor Eduardo Gajano, respectfully submitting the supplemental budget number 3 of the provincial government of Occidental Mindoro with the amount of 132,262,795 pesos and 36 centavos. Next is Committee Referral 8258. It is a letter also from the Governor Eduardo B. Gajano, certified as urgent, regarding the authorizing the undersigned in behalf of the provincial government of Occidental Mindoro to enter into a sign of memorandum of agreement with the DRS Save Eye Care Center. Next is Committee Referral 8259, proposed resolution of Honorable Alex Del Valle expressing the profound condolences of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Occidental Mindoro to the family of the late Honorable George Isidro Oriero, incumbent Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Calintaan, Occidental Mindoro. With author, Bukal Ed Rodriguez and Bukal Jill Espejo. And lastly, Madam Chair, is a letter also from the Governor Eduardo B. Gajano, certified as urgent, regarding the 5 million pesos donation from the Office of the President to the Occidental Mindoro for the victims of Typhoon Tino. That would be all, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay. With the inclusions of Committee Referral 8255 to 8260.
8260.
With all those inclusion, today's agenda is approved.
There will be no privilege hour or appearances, nor question hour appearances. We'll now go to the eighth order of business, the reading and referral of the proposed measures, petitions, letters, and other communications. Number 1 is CHESA acknowledgement receipt of SP Resolution number 289 series of 2025.
Noted po.
Number 2, endorsed letter of the ALGPD Maria Victoria del Rosario regarding the unnumbered memorandum of the ALG Memorapa Regional Director regarding the revised policy in the conduct of LGU's lakbay-aral activities, convention, conferences, attendance on official business, and registration fees and other related concerns.
Okay, noted po.
Number 3, second round consultation on Memoropa Local Governance Forum and submission of proposal is open until December 27, 2025 through the link provided.
Okay,
Yes.
noted.
Number 4 is the ALG advisory regarding the 7th Negosyo Sabayan Entrepreneurship Support and Development Training on November 26 to 29, 2025, Cebu City.
Okay, noted bukal.
Number 5, copy furnished of the ALG memorandum dated October 21, 2025. It is regarding the conduct of cycle year 2025 LGU profiling as baseline data on LGU's LGPMS.
Okay, noted.
We will now go to...
Short manifestation, Madam
Yes,
Presiding Officer.
Bukal Rod, you're
I just would
recognized.
like to express, so that it will be written in our minutes, that the Department of Tourism answered our letter or our resolution, and I am optimistic that the site development plan of tourism of Magsaysay will be given funding and support, and that your committee, Madam Presiding Officer, I know is very happy knowing that CHESA is looking forward for the accomplishment of our request. Thank you, Madam
Okay,
Presiding
okay.
Officer.
Thank you, Bukal Rod, for that message. Oo nga. Sana marami pa tayong ni-request, Bukal eh. Na ibang falls pa sana para ma-push ang tourism. Thank you po. We now go to
Committee reports.
committee reports.
Yes, ma'am. Under letter B, administrative cases or matters. Number 1 is administrative case number 56.
No
that's
committee
2024.
reports, Bukal.
No committee reports, ma'am.
We now go to priority measures. No civil case.
Yes, ma'am.
We now go to administrative case and matters. Admin case number 56-2024, Committee on Justice and Human Rights. Co-chairperson, Justice.
Yeah, Madam Presiding Officer,
Okay po.
considering
Bukal
that
Rodagas,
I think I am the
recognized.
Vice Chair or a member of the Committee on Justice, we have adopted resolution assuming and incorporating into the records of the 15th Sangguniang Panlalawigan the entirety of the proceedings, evidence, and actions taken by the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Considering that the Chair, Honorable Jill, took his leave of absence, I move that the recommendation of the committee be deferred until the chair becomes available. So I move, Madam.
Second.
Okay. Thank you, Bukal Rod. With the motion for deferment by the member of the Committee on Justice and Human Rights, seconded by all, the discussion on admin case number 562024 is deferred.
Number 2 is Committee Referral 7785, Sangguniang Bayan of San Jose Resolution number 8133, Series of
majority
2025, earnestly requesting the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Occidental Mindoro through Vice Governor Diana Apigutayag to address the land claims involving Sitio Danlog in the municipality of San Jose and the affected municipalities of Rizal and Calintaan, specifically regarding the disputes in the Monte Claro area.
Okay. Committee on Local Government, Bukal Attorney June. to also
Madam
your
Presiding
recognized-
Officer, as a chairperson on Committee on Local Government, I move to defer this committee referral 7785.
Second.
With the motion for deferment by the chairperson, Committee on Local Government, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, the discussion on committee referral 7785 is deferred. How about the priority administrative measures? majority floor.
Under the priority and administrative measures, Madam Presiding Officers, is number 1, Committee Referral 8175, review and approval of PGOM Local Expenditure Program fiscal year 2026, amounting to 2,981,904,220 pesos, 0.35 centavos. Madam Chair, it was referred on Committee of the Whole, but headed by the Committee on Finance. We already had a committee report, so may I move to adopt the committee report of the Committee of the Whole to be sent to the executive branch. Thank you.
Second.
Okay. With a motion by the Chairperson, Committee on Finance, and seconded by Bukal Rod Agas. Any objection? The committee report by the Committee of the Whole is hereby approved.
Number 2 is Committee Referral
And adopted.
8245.
We now
Request
go
of,
to Committee Referral 8245.
yes, ma'am. Committee Referral 8245, request of Governor Eduardo Bigagiano for authority to enter and sign into a memorandum of understanding with the PAT Foundation Philippines Incorporated, or PFPI, regarding the implementation of ADAPT for Bluer Coast and Community Resilience, ADAPT project.
Refer to the Committee on Local Government. MOA.
Madam, considering that the Honorable Peter Alfaro is not around and I am the Vice Chair,
Local Government.
local
And
government,
okay, refer to
environment.
the Committee on Environment.
Okay, so, okay, thank you.
Okay,
So considering
Bukal Rod,
that this is, I think, an urgent,
you are
so
recognized. Oh,
I have read the content of the MOA, and the ADAPT organization is a UK recipient, and they are focusing on the effects of climate change, especially on the coastal community. I think the good governor was able to appreciate the concern and the result-oriented organization that will help us to study the resiliency, at the same time the problems that our province facing the West Philippine Sea, and always the subject to storm surge and other climate-related concerns, and that some NGOs really help the province in addressing her concern. So it is but fitting that we appreciate that such foundation is offering her hand to help Occidental Mindoro in the current problem with the climate change and environmental problems. So I think the good governor deserves to be supported by approving his request that we enter into MOA with PAT Foundation Philippines. So from the Committee on Environmental Protection and Natural Resources, I move for its approval.
Second.
Okay. How about the Committee on Local Government?
Same manifestation for the approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Second.
Okay. With the motion for approval by both the chairpersons, Committee on Environment and the Committee on Local Government, seconded by Bukal Alex Del Valle and Bukal Ryan Shoson. Committee Referral 8245 is approved. How about Committee Referral 8258? It was also certified urgent.
And also 8257, Madam Presiding Officer.
82.
57. Wait lang po ha. Eight two five four.
8254 to 8260 are
Certified as urgent.
urgent.
Yes. First is we have to tackle the Committee Referral 8254. It is a resolution amending the PDC Executive Committee Resolution number 4, Series of 2025, changing the project title and reclassifying it from the Cassava Commodity Investment Matrix to the Onion Commodity Investment Matrix under the Provincial Commodity Investment Plan, or PCIP, from year 2024 to 2027.
Okay. Refer to the Committee on Trade and Industry.
Madam
Committee
Chair,
on
it was...
Trade and Industry.
Yes, ma'am. It was certified as urgent, so we have to tackle it right now.
No. What is the recommendation of the committee?
Trade and Industry, motion for approval. 8254.
Presiding, motion for approval.
Second.
Okay. With the motion for, any objection?
None.
Hearing none, then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson Committee on Trade and Industry, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8254 is approved.
The second one is Committee Referral 8255, resolution favorably approving the inclusion of the upgrading and concreting of Barangay Santa Lucia to Barangay Tuban, Farm to Market Road with a bridge in the Onion Commodity Intervention Matrix and updating the project name under the Casaba Commodity Intervention Matrix of the Provincial Commodity Investment Plan.
Okay. Refer to the Committee on Trade and Industry. Bukal Eddie, Masangkay,
Madam
you are
Presiding,
recognized.
motion for approval.
Second.
Okay. With the motion, any objection?
None.
None. Hearing none. Then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson Committee on Trade and Industry, seconded by all, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8255 is approved.
It is also certified as urgent. Committee Referral 8256, resolution approving the fiscal year 2025 Supplemental Annual Investment Program o AIP number 5 of the province of Occidental Mindoro.
Refer to the Committee on Finance.
Madam
and
Chair, having read
Appropriations.
all the PPAs to be included in the annual investment program of the province of the Occidental Mindoro, I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Second.
Okay. Any objection?
None.
Hearing none, with the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Finance, seconded by Bukal Alex Del Valle, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8256 is approved.
It was also certified as urgent by the Provincial Governor, Honorable Eduardo B. Gajano. Committee Referral 8257. It is the supplemental budget number 3 of the Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro with the total amount of 132,262,795 pesos and 36 centavos, Madam Chair. And it was referred to
Refer
my...
to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Yes, Madam Presiding Officer, as it was stated in this supplemental budget number 3, another MOE, PSO MOE, also included the ALSA and the SRI of our province for our
Second.
employees. So I move for its approval, Madam Presiding
Second.
Officer.
Any objection?
None.
Okay. With the motion for approval by the Chairperson Committee on Finance, seconded by Bukal Alex Del Valle, and hearing no objection, then Committee Referral 8257, the approval of the Supplemental Budget number 3 of the Province of Occidental Mindoro is approved.
Also, Madam Presiding Officer, Committee Referral 8258, issuance of authorization from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for the Governor to enter and sign into Memorandum of Agreement with the DRS Save Eye Care Center.
Refer to the Committee on Health.
Madam Chair, having read all the MOA, and it is for the benefit of our constituents, free medication for their eye problems, I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Any
With no
second?
expense from the province.
No expense from the province. Any second?
Second.
Okay. Any objection?
None, ma'am.
Hearing none, then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Health, seconded by Bukal Eddie Masangkay and Bukal Alan Credo, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8258 is approved.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Rodaga, shall recommend.
may I, if the Honorable Eddie can give us some invitation to support this further so that we will be enlightened as to how can we recommend some our kababayans to avail the services of this program.
Madam,
Bukal Eddie?
Madam Presiding
You have the floor.
Officer, maraming salamat, Bokalagas.
Oo.
Itong DRS Eye Care Center ay inibita ng lahat lalo-lalo na ating Governor, Vice Governor, Congressman, and all members of Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Bukas ng 10 o'clock sa Blayan Hospital ay opening na ng eye care center at inikayat ko lahat ng from District 2 and District 1 na may problema sa mata ay kayo na mahal mag-invite at ito'y libre sa lahat ng ating mamayan ng Occidental Mindoro.
Bali, ang duration po nito hanggang kailan po ito?
Ito ay ayon sa ating MOA ay 3 years.
Tapos ano
Tuloy-tuloy.
pong mga schedule ng araw?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Then pipilitin namin ang eye care na magkaroon sa District 2 Hospital. Kaya nakasama sa MOA ang ating District Hospital para magkaroon din ayon kay Governor. Lalagyan na rin ng DRS eye care.
Panghuling katanungan po, ang Bukal Eddie ho ba ay hindi na lang Todaman?
Hindi lang kompleto na yan.
Videoke man? Ano na po siya ngayon?
That's all man, eye care man.
Thank you po.
Ito yung programa ng ating Governor, ng Vice Governor at siyempre ang ating mahal na Congressman. Tayo lahat, para sa lahat ng Occidental Mindoro. Malaking bagay sa ating mga may problema sa mata. Kaya Bukal Sonia, ito na yung inaabangan ng Tiga Rizal. Okay na, mag-start. Hanggang 2028. 3 years. Then pag naging governor na si Governor Dayan,
Strike it off the record.
another MOA. Thank you.
Madam Presiding Officer, may I
Bukal
ask the
You're
proponent
recognized.
and the main sponsor of this eye care center, is this an aid of legislation or in aid of re-election? Because given the span of time of 3 years, that is in time or on time for the 2028 election again. Tuloy-tuloy ba? All right. Thank you,
Okay.
Madam Presiding
Thank you
Officer.
po. Thank you, Bukal Eddie. Maganda ang
Any
naisip
more
mo, pero
questions
yung
from the
ibang
August
comments
body
is-
regarding the eye care man? Eye care center?
None?
None?
If none, we now
Okay.
go to Committee Referral 8259.
Yes,
Majority
Madam Presiding
Floor.
Officer, Committee Referral 8259, proposed resolution of Honorable Alex R. Del Valle expressing the profound condolences of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Occidental Mindoro to the family of the late Honorable George Isidro Oriiro, incumbent Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Calintaan, Occidental Mindoro, with co-author Bukal Gil Espejo and Bukal Ed Rodriguez. Madam Chair, thank you.
Okay. Refer to the Committee on Rules. Bukal Attorney Jun Tijoso, you have the floor.
Okay, Madam Presiding Officer, as a co-chairperson on Committee on Rules, I move to approve this resolution, the Committee Referral 8259.
Second.
Okay. With the motion for approval by the co-chairperson Committee on Rules, seconded by Bukal Ryan Sholson, Committee Referral 8259 is approved. Idadala natin to Bukal sa... Oo.
Madam Presiding Officer.
Kailan ba po ang ano ni Vice Mayor?
Madam Presiding Officer, parang naririnig ko po na sa GC po natin na nagpaplano po ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan na after po ng ating session sa 25 sa bayan po ng San Jose, ay parang may plano po ako naririnig na pupunta po tayong lahat para sa necro. Pagkakataon na po siguro, Madam Presiding Officer, na maisabay na rin po natin ito.
Yes
Thank
po.
you, ma'am.
Naging board member si Vice Mayor Oriiro ng 13th Sanggunian as ano po siya PCL President. Bukal Tita Sonia Pablo, you are recognized.
Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer, and to
Opo,
all my
nakasama.
colleagues. Inquiry lang po. We just passed the ordinance authored by the Honorable Rod Agas regarding the memorial protocol. Are we now applying the provisions of that ordinance in the case of the Vice Mayor, of the late Vice Mayor Oriiro? Remember, as you mentioned, he was part of the 13th Sangguniang Panlalawigan,
Yes po.
and he served as a dedicated and well-loved public servant of Calintaan. So that the memorial protocol applies now to him, or
Kaya nga.
may I just ask our secretary if it has already been signed into law,
Ordinance by
into an
the
local
governor.
ordinance by local law by the chief executive.
Ma'am, paki-update nga
And
kami nung
if yes, how it will be implemented? This
Status
will
ng
be a
ating
test, no,
ordinance.
on the
Oo nga.
application of that particular ordinance.
agree. Oo nga.
What is the cost? May I ask
Tsaka
also what is the cost
incumbent
of
siya.
this?
He was
Nagda-dialysis
he
na
had
yun.
diabetes.
Ah.
He was having 3 times dialysis.
Oo.
And I think he succumbed to pneumonia.
Pneumonia. Pneumonia po.
Parang si, hindi na.
Ngayon lang
Yeah, before I proceed to
Kapipirma
Mamburao
lang.
yesterday, I passed by their house and I was able to speak with his sister, and she was saying that they will be waiting for the siblings from Canada and the US to arrive. Funeral services will be discussed. And sabi niya 15 days pa naman yung embalming, so wala pang specific
Wala
date.
pa
No?
pang
Wala
date.
pang specific date. Depending yon kung kailan magdating yung mga hinihintay niyang mga kapatid. Oo. But I already saw the writ of the Honorable Presiding Officer. May
Yes
writ na
po,
siya doon.
pinauna.
And yung tatlong ulo natin, I saw also the writ of Congressman Tariela, Governor, and ang ating Vice Governor. But not the official writ ng province,
Province of Bauxite. Oo.
included in the memorial protocol.
Yes po. Ma'am, ano ng status ng ordinance?
kapipirma lang po ni Governor dun sa ating ordinance, and we just
Hindi okay na. Yay.
transmitted them.
Okay.
This
So,
morning.
pwede na siguro. I-coordinate na lang po. Sa
Sino bang maganon yun, Bukal Road? The HR? Who will
HR.
be who will spearhead the implementation
Yeah.
of that,
Well, thank you so much.
ordinance?
First, on the appreciation of the
Bukal
essence of
Road.
the ordinance.
Oo, thank
Ito yung
you.
talagang purpose nun. Pero, syempre, may konting transition na baka hindi natin mabigla dahil may mga IRR, publication. Pero, yun ay formality na lang. Lagi naman natin ginagawa yung mga bagay na yun na ginagawa. Except siguro yung paggamit ng pondo. Doon na lang magkakatalo. I just advise in my personal capacity ang secretariat na mag-coordinate sa Office of the Governor at sa HR para ito na rin yung parang way nila na hindi naman natin sinasabing sa susunod, no? Pero yung ibig sabihin, magkaroon sila ng parang ikangay idea paano ikangay i-execute ang isang magandang plano. After all naman, kapamilya natin siya dahil naging miyembro ng Sanggunian.
Yeah.
At ang magbibigay pa rin ng information sa HR ay si na Miss Jam. At ang pagpapadaloy pa rin naman siguro ay si na Miss Jam. Pero itatap lang ang HR at iko-consulta lang sa Office of the Governor para as one province ang approach natin. Maraming salamat, Vice Governor.
Okay, thank you, Bukal Road. Yung ibibigay bang parangal sa kanya, Bukal, hindi sa mismong libing? Kahit ibang araw ba yun? Sa ordinansa
Tayo
mo?
ho ang pipili.
Okay. Thank you, Bukal. So, pwede na isabay sa 25 sa plano natin. Advice na rin natin si Gov. Isabay na. Okay.
Madam Presiding Officer, since big congratulations on the part of this representation to Bukala Road Agas regarding the passage and signed by the Honorable Governor. Madam Presiding Officer, since the late Vice Mayor had been a member of this Sangguniang Panlalawigan, may I suggest that if we could have the necrological services to his honor, and I suggest that these necrological services be headed by Bukal Road Agas.
I accept in coordination with the Office of the Governor and Ms. Jam. Thank you, Honorable Alan. For after all, we are representatives of District 2. We are duty-bound to do it. Thank you, thank you.
Oo nga po. Thank you, Bukal Road,
Madam Chair.
for accepting that responsibility. Thank you very much, Bukal Arnel.
Yes,
You're recognized.
binabasa ko kasi itong draft resolution. ay sa third warehouses ay sa second warehouses ay pinanganak siya ng August 4, 1956. But then gumraduate siya ng elementary 1976, 20 years old na. Ang opinion ko lang naman, Madam Chair, ay baka sakaling may mali ay mabago. Ano?
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. Thank you for the typographical correction. My secretary will maybe immediately talk with the wife regarding the school year graduated during his elementary period, Madam Presiding Officer. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, noted. Thank you, Bukal Arnel. Thank you po. We now go to Committee Referral 8260.
Yes, Madam Presiding Officer, Committee Referral 8260 is a request of Governor Eduardo Bigajano to accept a donation amounting to 5 million pesos from the Socio-Civic Project Fund of the Office of the President for the victims of the Typhoon Tino in our province.
Refer to the Committee on Finance.
Madam Chair, syempre, ito po yung donation from the national government. So, napakahalaga po ito para sa ating mga kababayan. So, this representation would like to move for it, for the approval of Committee Referral 8260.
Okay. Any objection? Hearing no objection, then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Finance, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo. Committee Referral 8260 is approved.
We will now go to third and final reading, Madam Chair, since there will be no committee referral for that calendar of business. We will now go to the unfinished business. As a temporary majority floor leader, may I move to defer all items under the unfinished business unless there's a committee report from the august body or members.
Okay, with the motion for deferment by our temporary majority floor leader, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, and hearing no objection, then all matters under the unfinished business are omnibusly deferred unless there are committee reports. Bukal Sonia Pablo, you're recognized.
Thank you very much. With regards to committee referral number 4, 7457, we are celebrating the month of the children, and just yesterday, the governor rendered the State of the Children address of the province. This request from the governor is very important because our statistics says that the number of children fully immunized in the province did not meet the national standard, the national cut-off percentage. Immunization is very important, especially in preventing communicable diseases. So I hope that we can pass this. We can approve this request by the governor, adopting Republic Act number 10152 or the Mandatory Infants and Children Health Immunization Act of 2011. Madam Chair, so I move.
Okay, but this through an ordinance po, Bukal Sonia Pablo. I hope the Committee on Health could draft the ordinance first before we approve.
I think there is already a national adopting only the national law on this particular program.
Opo. But still, you have to draft the ordinance first before we approve this committee referral. The ordinance.
The committee of the
Infants and Children Health Immunization.
Yes, ma'am. Madam Presiding Officer, the Committee on Health and Nutrition will look into it po.
Please
And
draft the ordinance.
as per request of our committee co-chairman, we will craft a ordinance regarding this.
Adopting
Republic Act number 10152 or the Mandatory Infant and Children Immunization. Yes, ma'am.
please
Thank
draft
you,
an
ma'am.
ordinance first. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you po. Any other committee reports?
Madam Presiding Officer.
Bukal Alan, you're recognized.
Yes, Madam Presiding Officer, with regard to committee referral 8194, line
8194.
item 81,
81.
regarding the proposed resolution of Honorable Alex Del Valle, requesting the Department of Public Works and Highways of Occidental Mindoro District Engineering Office to install slowdown signages and implement a standard speed limit along Aroma Beach Road starting from the National Irrigation Administration to Bobog Bridge in San Jose Occidental Mindoro. I called up the DPWH, Your Honor, because my concern was if this road is a national road, not a city road, and it was confirmed that it is a national road, so it befalls under the jurisdiction of the DPWH Engineering Office, especially in our province, to install these signages that was requested by the author. And so, and I think with regards to the statistics of vehicular accidents, it's a little bit more than the average of the national average. So I share the sentiment of the honorable author, Alex Del Valle, with regard to the installation of these signages in order to prevent future vehicular accidents. And so I move that this committee referral 8194 be approved by the body, Madam Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Okay, any objection? Okay. Then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Peace and Order, seconded by Bukal Ryan Shosan, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8194 is approved. Any other committee reports?
Madam Chair,
Bukal Ryan, you're
line item
recognized.
number 91, Committee Referral 8207, review and adoption of appropriation ordinance number 2025-010A, an ordinance granting authority to the municipal mayor, Honorable Eric C. Labrador, to augment from the MOA funds of the Office of the Municipal Accountant in the Municipality of Calintaan, Province of Occidental Mindoro. I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay po. Taking into consideration the recommendation of the PLO to remove the word appropriation
Yes, ma'am.
on their ordinance. Okay. Any second? Second. Any objection? Then with the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Finance, how about the Committee on Local Government?
Same manifestation for reapproval.
Okay. With the joint motion for approval by both the Chairpersons, Committee on Finance and Committee on Local Government, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8207 is approved.
Madam Chair, line item number 84, Committee Referral 8198, review and adoption of Calintaan Resolution number 2025-214, resolution authorizing the annual investment program AIP for the year 2026 amounting to 11 billion 14,731,629 pesos and 76 centavos, which includes the investment requirements for the regular operation and development program, projects and activities, or PPAs, of the municipality of Calintaan for projects for external funding. I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, with the motion, any objection? With the motion for approval by the Chairperson, Committee on Finance, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8198 is approved.
Madam Chair, I would like to
Bukal Ryan, you're recognized.
to give an insight also to the August body regarding the line item number 68, Committee Referral 8216. Ito po yung nagre-request din sila ng hindi lang siguro to resolution. Ito ay ordinance adopting the Republic Act number 9482, otherwise known as the Anti-Rabies Act of 2027. Isasabay ko na lang po ito doon sa number 4 na napag-usapan namin ni Bukal Sonia Pablo.
Okay po. Draft nyo muna.
Ida-draft po
para
namin,
for
then
plenary
gagawin ko na rin
discussion
pong co-author po
before
si
we
Bukal
approve.
Sonia. Sige po.
Okay, okay. Noted, Bukal. Thank you. Any other committee reports under the unfinished business? If none, then we go to first reading. Temporary majority floor. Floor leader.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Aina, you're recognized.
thank you very much po.
Yes po. We now go to first reading first. Committee referral 8231.
Nawala ako. Sorry.
Bukal Ryan.
Chair, under the unassigned business or first reading, number 1 is Committee Referral 8231, proposed legislative measure of Honorable Sonia Pablo, an ordinance prohibiting and penalizing discrimination based on sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, or SOGI, in the province of Occidental Mindoro, providing for mechanism for its implementation and other purposes.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, and Senior Citizens.
Number 2 is Committee Referral 8232, proposed resolution of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, a resolution promoting equality and condemning all forms of discrimination based on sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, or SOGI, in the province of Occidental Mindoro, and enjoining all local government units to implement programs upholding diversity and inclusivity in human rights.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, and Senior Citizens.
Number 3 is Committee Referral 8233, proposed legislative measure of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, an ordinance strengthening the prevention, protection, and prosecution measures against human trafficking in the province of Occidental Mindoro, in accordance with the Republic Act number 9208, Anti-Trafficking in the Persons Act of 2003, and the Palermo Protocol of year 2000, and for other purposes.
Okay, refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, Senior Citizens, and Committee on Justice and Human Rights.
Number 4 is Committee Referral 8234, proposed resolution of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, a resolution strengthening the provincial government's campaign against human trafficking in Occidental Mindoro through the creation of Provincial Anti-Human Trafficking Council and the formulation of a comprehensive local action plan.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, Senior Citizens, and the Committee on Justice and Human Rights.
Number 6 is Committee Referral 8236, proposed resolution of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, a resolution expressing the strong support of the provincial government of Occidental Mindoro for the implementation and enforcement of laws against sexual harassment pursuant to Republic Act number 7877, otherwise known as the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995, and including provisions for the harassment in public spaces as provided under the Republic Act number 11313 or the Safe Spaces Act.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, and Senior Citizens, and the Committee on Justice and Human Rights.
Number 7 is Committee Referral 8237, proposed legislative measure of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, an ordinance institutionalizing the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health, or RPRH program in the province of Occidental Mindoro, pursuant to Republic Act number 10354 and Executive Order number 12, year 2017, and providing for all local implementation mechanism and access to reproductive health services.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, Senior Citizens, and the Committee on Health and Nutrition.
Line item number 8 is Committee Referral 8238, proposed resolution of Honorable Sonia C. Pablo, a resolution supporting the full implementation and localization of the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health RPRH program in the province of Occidental Mindoro, pursuant to Republic Act number 10354, otherwise known as the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Act of 2012.
Refer to the Committee on Family, Women, Children, Senior Citizens, and the Committee on Health and Nutrition.
Line item number 9 is Committee Referral 8239, review and adoption of Resolution number 2025-124 of the Municipality of Rizal, adopting the entirety of the Supplemental Annual Investment Program o AIP number 4, Series of 2025, approved and endorsed by the Municipal Development Council Executive Committee through Resolution number 4, Series of 2025, adopted on October 23, year 2025, regarding approving the supplemental AIP number 4, cycle year 2025, funded by increased municipal revenue.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Committee referral number 8240, line item number 10, request of Governor Eduardo B. Gajano for authority to enter and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, Field Office Mimaropa, regarding the partnership in sharing the resources in the pilot implementation of the Comprehensive Drug Abuse Prevention Program for the provision of drug preventive education services and other developmental services for out-of-school youth, or OSY, and children in the street, or CICSS.
Refer to the Committee on Social Services.
Line item number 11 is Committee Referral 8241, review and adoption of Pamburao Municipal Ordinance number 2025-01, an ordinance establishing the requirements and guidelines regarding the reclassification of agricultural land to residential, commercial, and industrial use in the municipality of Pamburao, Occidental, Mindoro.
Okay, refer to the Committee on Housing, Land and Water Use, and Urban Management.
Line item number 12 is Committee Referral 8242, proposed resolution of Honorable Eddie Rodriguez, resolution commending and congratulating the local government unit of Santa Cruz, Occidental Mindoro, for its experimentary partnership with the Wandu-gan, South Korea, in the seasonal worker program.
Okay. Refer to the Committee on Local Government and Committee on Labor and Human Resources.
Committee Referral 8243, line item number 13, proposed resolution of Honorable Eddie Rodriguez, resolution commending and congratulating the local government unit of Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, for its exemplary partnership with the Wandu-gan, South Korea, in the seasonal worker program.
Okay. Refer to the Committee on Local Government, Committee on Labor and Human Resources.
Committee Referral 8244, line item number 14, proposed resolution of Honorable Eddie Rodriguez, resolution commending and congratulating the local government of unit of Abra de Ilog, Occidental Mindoro, for its exemplary partnership with the Gangwon-do, South Korea, in the seasonal worker program.
Refer to the Committee on Local Government, Committee on Labor and Human Resources.
Line item number 15, Committee Referral 8246, review and adoption of Municipal Resolution number 2025-215, resolution adopting, Madam Secretary,
Number 15.
resolution adoption of approving the Municipal Development Council. Tama po ba ang grammar nito?
Review and adoption of the municipal
And
resolution
adoption.
number 2025-20.
Line item number 15, ma'am.
Apo.
Resolution,
Review and adoption of the municipal resolution po. Municipal resolution po yun.
iba
Of
kasi
the
nandito
development. Yung municipal resolution number 2025-215 is the resolution adoption.
Gulo ng...
Sorry.
Ako na lang,
And
ma'am.
approving.
Madam Chair, line item number 15 is Committee Referral 8246.
8246 is the
Resolution adopting and approving the Municipal Development Council. Yes.
Sorry.
MDC Resolution number 9, Series of 2025, entitled Resolution Approving and Favorably Endorsing the Sangguniang Bayan of Calintaan the proposal to add the supplemental programs, projects, and activities, or PPAs, number 5, to the annual investment program of the municipal government of Calintaan, cycle year 2025.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Number 16, Committee Referral 8247, review and adoption of resolution number 2025-227, resolution adopting and approving Municipal Development Council, resolution number 13, series of 2025, entitled Resolution Approving and Favorably Endorsing the Sangguniang Bayan of Calintaan, the proposal to add supplemental programs, projects, and activities, number 6, to the annual investment program of the municipal government of Calintaan, cycle year 2025, amounting to 11,091,744 pesos and 87 centavos.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Line item number 17, Committee Referral 8248, review and approval of appropriation ordinance number 2025-12, an ordinance granting the authority to Municipal Mayor Honorable Eric C. Labrador to augment from MOOE funds of the Office of the Municipal Health in the Municipality of Calintaan, Province of Occidental, Mindoro.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Line item number 18, Committee Referral 8249, review and approval of ordinance number 2025-06, an ordinance defunding vacant position in the Office of the Municipal Mayor, Office of the Municipal Agriculture, and Office of the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management, and reallocating the savings therefrom to the creation of a local assessment and operation officer 2 or LTOO2 position, salary grade 15 in the Office of the Municipal Assessor.
Refer to the Committee on Labor and Human Resources.
Committee Referral 8250, line item number 19, review and approval of appropriation ordinance number 2025-11, an ordinance granting authority to the Municipal Mayor Honorable Eric Labrador to augment from the MOA funds at the Office of the Municipal Engineer in the Municipality of Calintaan, Province of Occidental, Mindoro.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Line item number 20, Committee Referral 8251, review and adoption of resolution number 2025-127 of the Municipality of Rizal, authorizing the annual investment program or AIP for the year 2026 amounting to 373,922 pesos and 82 centavos for locally funded projects.
Refer to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Line item number 21, Committee Referral 8252, review and approval of Municipal Government of San Jose, Ordinance number 1002, Series of 2025, amending Municipal Ordinance number 957, transferring the Public Employment Service Office or PESO as a separate division under the Office of the Municipal Mayor, and combining the functions of the Municipal Cooperative Development Office or MCDO and the Local Economic Development Investment and Promotion Office or LEDIPO into existing department, thereby renaming the MCDO as Municipal Cooperatives Economic Development and Investment Promotion Office, defining its function and structure and appropriating funds therefore.
Refer to the Committee on Local Government.
Lastly, Madam Chair, line item number 22, Committee Referral 8253, review and adoption of ordinance number 1004, Series of 2025, institutionalizing the total night every 28th day of April of the year as one of the activities in line with the celebration of the founding anniversary of the Municipality of San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, and providing funds therefore.
Refer to the Committee on Local Government.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Alex,
I don't
you're
know if,
recognized.
thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. I don't know if we are going to suspend the rules, Madam Presiding Officer.
Yes. Madam Chair, may I request for the suspension of the rules?
To give way for?
Give way for those under the first reading to be included in the second reading.
Yes, Madam Presiding
Any
Officer.
second.
Thank you, ma'am. But second,
Rules are suspended.
yes,
Bukal
Madam
Alex.
Presiding Officer, only the point of this representation is the answer of the official query of the Honorable Arnel Argame, Madam Presiding Officer, with regards to the biodata or the elementary years of Honorable George Oreiro, I already, hindi siya inclusion, no? I already, clarification, Madam Presiding Officer, the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan forwarded the official PDS of the Honorable George Oreiro, and I already forwarded it to the GC of the 15 Sanggunian. The resolution, Madam Presiding Officer, is correct. Kung kikwentahin po natin, nakalagay po dito, pinanganak po siya noong August 4, 1956 at nag-elementary po siya noong 1965 hanggang 1976. Lumalabas, Madam Presiding Officer, na si Vice Mayor Oreiro po ay nag-grade 1 sa edad na 9 years old po. Usually ho tayo, ma'am, ay 7 years old po tayo, 6 years old po tayo nag-grade 1. Pero si Vice Oreiro po ay 9 years old po simula po nung siya ay nag-grade 1. At lumalabas din po na 11 years po siyang nag-elementary. Dahil 1965 po hanggang 1976 siya, 1976 po siya graduate, lumalabas po, tayo po ay 7 years lang po tayo sa elementary, pero si Vice po ay lumalabas na 11 years po siyang nag-elementary. Hindi po natin alam, Madam Presiding Officer, ang rason. Maaaring tumigil po siya. Maaari din po siguro sa kahirapan o maaaring nagtrabaho po ang mahal na Vice Mayor. Hindi po natin alam, Madam Presiding Officer. With that, Madam Presiding Officer, lumalabas po na tama. Tama po yung resolution. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay. Noted, Bukal. Thank you po. Okay na, Bukal Arnel. Rules are still suspended.
Motion
Any
for-
inclusions from the first reading?
None, ma'am. None.
None?
May I move for the lifting of the suspension of the rules?
Suspension of rules lifted. We now go to second reading.
Madam Chair, may I move to defer all items under the second reading unless there's a committee report from the August body?
Okay. In a motion for deferment by our temporary majority floor leader, seconded by Bukal Alan Credo. All matters under second reading are omnibusly deferred unless there are committee reports.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Rod, you are
in as much
recognized.
as on my committee, I don't want to have backlogs.
Yeah.
So I am attending to all measures referred to my committee. On the sponsored resolution of Honorable Alex Del Valle, which we can find on item number 10 or 8219. I appreciate this, Madam Presiding Officer, but, you know, Dagat, they will install tsunameter from 2 kilometers from the coastline to about 100 meters in depth, no? So, it is important that I remind the author or ask the author if he consulted the local government of San Jose if they have no objection regarding this project. Because as I can observe, Madam Presiding Officer, whenever the Sangguniang Panlalawigan submits a resolution to a certain national agency, that national agency really consider and take seriously our request. But, of course, what if they grant this, but the local government object because they have, you know, some programs to the marine protection, etc., or, well, it is important that the PPDO, so as not to burden the Honorable Alex to get from the Sangguniang Bayan or the mayors, PPDO certificate of no objection or certificate of support will do. But if the Honorable Alex can answer my question, if he consulted with the local government unit of San Jose and he gets the green signal for this request to be forwarded to DOST, then I will pray that this resolution be approved immediately. But if none yet, we can wait for a week. But if you may, Honorable Presiding Officer, that the Honorable Author be allowed to explain.
Yes. Thank you, Bukal. Bukal Alex?
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
recognized.
Thank you to the Honorable Rod for his very a good and salient observation. First, Madam Presiding Officer, we will consider the good suggestion and observation of Honorable Rod. We will maybe right after our session, we will call up or siguro we will visit to the office of the mayor if what is their reaction to this noble proposal. But let me explain very, very short, 1-minute explanation, Madam Presiding Officer, with regards with this proposed resolution. Madam Presiding Officer, ang resolusyong ito ay humihiling sa Department of Science and Technology o PAG-ASA na mag-install ng Project Dagat o may meaning na Deploying Acoustic Guardians Advanced Tsunami Detection Device sa Barangay San Roque, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Ang Project Dagat, Madam Presiding Officer, na binuo ng University of Perpetual Health System, DALTA, ay ang kauna-unahang imbensyong Pilipino na may kakayahang mag-detect ng tsunami at storm surge gamit ang artificial intelligence at real-time data transmission sa pamamagitan ng nano-satellite communication. Dahil ang Occidental Mindoro, Madam Presiding Officer, ay madalas tamaan ng bagyo, storm surge at pagbaha sa baybayin. Ang Barangay San Roque bilang coastal area na nakaharap sa West Philippine Sea ay isang mainam at estrahitikong lugar para sa paglalagay ng naturang kagamitan. Makakatulong ito ng malaki sa pagpapalakas ng kahandaan sa sakuna, maagang pagbibigay babala at kaligtasan ng komunidad at suporta rin sa mga programa ng PDRRMO at MDRRMO upang mapangalagaan ang buhay at ari-arian ng ating mga mamamayan. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, thank you, Bukal.
And
Noted po.
One
Bukal
thing
Rod,
more,
you are
if
recognized.
the author would also include, ang lagi ko kasing nababasa sa Facebook na nababahala ay ang Mulawin, Santa Cruz, no? Siguro, i-consider din ng Honorable Alex in one authorship na yung mga critical area na laging nare-report sa Facebook na nag-evacuate na dahil sa takot sa tsunami, talagang maisama din, ano? Bayan natin ng San Jose, ang San Roque, okay yan, pero madalas, Honorable Alex, na ang Santa Cruz, ang Mulawin, at ang Barahan, laging nangangamba sa mga ganong klasing, at nagtatakbuhan pa sila sa bundok, no? Dito sa Pola, dahil sa biglang umuusad yung dagat ng pagkalayo-layo. Pero kung minsan false alarm, pero sana ay isahan na lamang yung request sa DOST. Yun lamang po at siguro by next week, we will be willing to sponsor for the sponsorship of your good and timely resolution. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Thank you po. Thank you, Bukal
Madam
Rod.
Chair, for the additional information.
Bukal Ryan?
Ang alam ko po, ang Office of the PDRRMO, meron sila talagang mga hit points kung saan mayroong parang hazard, tsunami hazard points na nakatalaga na talaga. Baka pwedeng ano rin po ang Bukal Alex sa office po ng DRR.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay. Noted, Bukal. Thank you. Any
The
other
Presiding
committee
Officer, in
report?
addition to that, can I be
Bukal
recognized, please?
Alan?
Yes, in
You're
addition for that,
recognized.
Madam Presiding Officer, it needs public consultation with regards to the installation of this kind of devices. Because the thing is, we have to take into consideration the marine life in the area, because we are talking here of acoustics, you know, and it might affect the fishermen because it would drive away the fish, according to some public consultations that were done in Iloilo when they were planning to have these devices installed. So I think in line with the reasoning and line of thinking, line of thought of the Honorable Bukal Rod Agas, I think it needs further study on the part of the local government, and in addition to the manifestation of the Honorable Ryan Choson to also consult the PDRRMO with regard to this. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Well, as a
Thank you,
response,
Bukal.
Honorable, I will conduct on the part of PDRM a Zoom meeting with all the stakeholders to substantiate the concern raised by the Honorable Credo. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Bukal Rod.
Presiding Officer.
Bukal Alex, you're
Yes,
recognized.
Madam Presiding Officer, this representation is very thankful to the manifestations, suggestions of my colleagues. By the way, maraming assignment po itong nakaatang sa akin. Iisa-isahin po nating pasyalan ang Mulawin, Barahan. Tama-tama po ang ating mahal na Alan ay naandito na rin po, ang PDRRM at ang bayan po ng San Jose. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay. Thank you, Bukal Alex. Oo. Any other committee reports under the second reading?
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Attorney Juntihoso.
as a
you're
chairperson
recognized.
on Committee on Local Government, I move to approve the accreditation of Plan International Pilipinas Foundation Incorporated and the recognition of the following CSO. Number one is Sambak Farmers Association, Sigaras High Value Crops Grower Farmers Association, Coranta D6 Artemia Multipurpose Cooperative, Ascenso Farmers Association, Samahan ng mga mahihirap na kababaihang nagkakaisa, Kali Tahit Estilo Association, Barikotkot Farmers Small Water Irrigation System Association Incorporated, Marugay Farmers Association, Kayangawan Multipurpose Cooperative or Kayamco. As a chairperson of the Committee on Local Government, I move to approve this committee referral 8230.
Okay. With a motion for approval by the chairperson, Committee on Local Government, seconded by Bukal Ryan Shosan. And is there any objection?
None.
And hearing no objection, committee referral 8230 is approved. Any other committee reports?
Yung sa ano? Yung sa exam. Pero unahin ko muna. Madam Chair, may I be recognized?
You're recognized.
Since hindi pa naman masyado gutom yung mga kasamahan natin. Under the second reading, line item number 1, Committee Referral 8209, request of Governor Eduardo B. Gajano for authority to enter and sign into a memorandum of agreement for and on behalf of the provincial government, San Jose District Hospital, with the San Jose Public Health and Diagnostic Center regarding the referral system in cases of breakdown, malfunctioning of laboratory machines, or in the absence of medical technologies in SGDH and vice versa. I move for its approval, Madam Presiding Officer.
Any second? Any objection?
None.
Hearing none, then with a motion for approval by the chairperson, Committee on Health and Nutrition, seconded by Bukal Attorney Juntihoso, and hearing no objection, committee referral 8209 is approved.
Madam Presiding Officer.
Bukal Alex, you're
Thank you.
recognized.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. With respect to line item number 9, Committee Referral 8218, Review and Adoption of Ordinance number 1001, Series of 2025, creating the Municipal Tourism, Culture, and Arts Office, or MTCAO, as a department in the local government unit of San Jose, Occidental, Mindoro, defining its structure and functions, its personnel, complement, and for other purposes. Madam Presiding Officer, dumaan po sa public hearing at katakot-takot pong usapan na kung saan ay nangarap po ang bayan ng San Jose na magkaroon po ng isang bagong departamento ng Municipal Tourism Office, Madam Presiding Officer. At nakausap ko rin po rito ang ating konsihala Mirna Sapanta, at sila po'y nakikiusap sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan na atin na po itong aprobahan upang ganap na pong lalong maging epektibo ang pagpapalakas po ng turismo sa bayan po ng San Jose. But dalawa po kaming co-chairperson na naandito, Madam Presiding Officer, and we absolutely respect the wisdom of Honorable Juntihoso. But as far as this representation is concerned, Madam Presiding Officer, I move for its approval.
Okay. How about the Committee on Local Government?
As a chairperson on Committee on Local Government, I move to approve this committee referral since it is within the power of this Sangguniang Bayan of San Jose to enact this ordinance.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Okay.
may I
Ay,
have
Bukal
some
Rod.
manifestation? Considering that,
Recognize.
you know, this is a welcome development for tourism at ito ay magiging pattern din ng ibang mga bayan sa pagkakaroon ng ganitong opisina. Alam natin, hindi lahat ay may sapat na pondo para mag-create ng opisina. Pero pwede ho ba sana kahit na 2-3 minutes ay ma-brief kami ng mga sponsors kung ano ang takbo ng creation na ito, kung paano siya magpa-function, paano nila nilagyan ng pondo, at ano yung mga scope ng kanilang mga responsibilities. Tell us something about the substance or depth of the ordinance para laang sa tinatawag nating matuto rin tayo kahit tayo mga taga-Sangguniang Panlalawigan, wala pa tayong tourism office, no? Baka matuto din tayo, magkaroon din tayo ng bold move para magkaroon ng office. Pero of course, marami pa tayong priorities. Pero nadadaluhan naman natin ang probinsya at higit pa. Lamang ang pondo ay kinoconsider natin na talagang may iba pang mas mabigat na priorities. Pwede bang mapagbigyan na yung mga authors ay makapag-brief sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng content ng naturang ordinansa?
Okay. Bukal Alex, you're recognized.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay.
Madam Presiding Officer, tulad nga po na nabanggit natin kanina, dumaan nga po ito sa tamang proseso. Nagtanong po sila sa Civil Service, sa DBM, at nag-certify din po ang Municipal Budget Officer na meron pong sapat na pondo, kaya pong lagyan ng pondo ang bagong departamento. At ang ordinansa, Madam Presiding Officer, ay pinirmahan po ng kagalang-galang Ray Cahayon Ladaga na nagsasabing all systems ay go na tayo dahil dumaan nga po ito sa tamang proseso. Well, as new department, Madam Presiding Officer, same with, magkakaroon po sila ng tinatawag na department head. At ang naririnig ko, Madam Presiding Officer, ay si Miss De Vera. Ewan ko pong apelido ni Ma'am De Vera ngayon kung ano na. May asawa na po yata siya. Ha? Rodrigo na, Madam Presiding Officer, for the record. At, Rodrigo po. May budget, ma'am, at may mga staff na ilalagay. Madam Presiding Officer, nag-aakto na po talaga itong opisinang ito noon, pero not as a department head, Madam Presiding Officer, but parang section lamang po siya ng Office of the Mayor. Pero ngayon, ma'am, siguro magiging thankful po si Mayor Ray at si Ma'am Debe, si Ma'am Rodrigo, at ang lahat po ng lingkod bayani na naandyan po sa opisinang yan dahil inaaprubahan na po ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan ang bagong departamento ng LGU San Jose, Madam Presiding Officer, at magiging bahagi po ng history ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan na pinamunuan po ng kagalang-galang Presiding Officer at Vice Governor Honorable Diana Apigo Tayag. Bahagi po tayo, ma'am, dito.
Okay.
So, tatakbo, ma'am, siya na parang isang regular department po. May staff, may pondo.
Madam Chair.
At thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay. Thank
Madam
you,
Chair,
Bukal Alex.
gusto ko lang pong biruin si Bukal Rod. Lumampas po sa 3 minutes yung paliwanag, ano na natin?
Bukal Rod, satisfied ka na ba? Bukal Rod.
At any rate, sige na. Thank you so much for answering my very basic question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bukal Rod. Okay.
Madam Presiding Officer, may I have the floor?
Okay, you have the floor.
Although I am not the chairperson of rules, but I am a member, considering that the vice chairman is here. I understand that there are some resolutions of congratulations authored by Honorable Alex that I think, my own opinion, when we congratulate someone or somebody, it must be timely or it is very close from the winning moment. May I just wish that the Vice Chair on Rules recommend action to those sponsored resolutions.
Madam Presiding Officer, let us wait for the chairperson to act on these matters. I cannot preempt the wisdom and discretion of the chairperson.
But of course, that is your opinion. In the Sanggunian, we do not wait if we are already here and we can act on the matter. That is our duty. We are duty-bound if that is a simple commendation or simple congratulations. So I'm acting on my capacity as member of the Committee on Rules, but I give honor, I give consideration being you as a vice chair. No? So that is my just simple manifestation on some congratulatory resolutions. It must be acted upon. It is not something very serious that we wait for a longer period of time for somebody to be congratulated when in fact the winning by itself is a definition of his movement and deserving such accolade or congratulations from this kind of august body. That is my take, and I think I will stand with that kind of manifestation, Madam Presiding Officer.
Madam Chair, before we continue the discussion about those committee referral, may we rule out first on committee referral 8218, line item number 9. Hindi pa po napagdidesisyonan.
Any second?
I will second the motion of Abukal Alex Del Valle.
With the joint motion for approval by both the Chairpersons, Committee on Labor and Human Resources, and the Chairperson, Committee on Local Government, seconded by Bukal Ryan Shoson and Alex Del Valle. Seconded by Bukal Ryan Shoson, and hearing no objection, Committee Referral 8218 is approved. Regarding that matter,
We can continue now the discussion regarding those committee referral with committee or resolution congratulating. But the,
Bukal Attorney June Teoso.
Madam Presiding Officer, I am firm with this, my stand to respect the chairperson of the Committee on Rules. So
With that, I object with that kind of motion, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Okay. So,
recess, ma'am.
is there a
Recess.
motion for approval on those committee referral?
Madam Presiding Officer.
Bukal Alex, you recognize.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. While the honorable colleagues are thinking what will be the decision, Madam Presiding Officer, short manifestation. Madam Presiding Officer, distinguished colleagues, this representation proudly presents for plenary discussion and approval a series of resolutions giving due recognition to 8 exceptional students from the Divine Word Colleges of San Jose who have brought honor, pride, and international distinction to the province of Occidental Mindoro through their outstanding performance in various international mathematics, robotics, and science Olympiads. Madam Presiding Officer, these young Mendoreños, Ms. Adhara Sophia B. Pablo, Mr. John Christopher J. Maderaso, Mr. Zian Adrien V. Maliar, Ms. Fiona Marie D. Perez, Ms. Chloe G. Del Rosario, Mr. Dane Joseph G. De Dios, Mr. Vince Real Z. Casin, and Mr. Harvey Blue B. Garcia have proven that Occidental Mindoro is not only rich in culture and compassion, but also in academic excellence and intellectual potential. Collectively, they have earned numerous gold, silver, and bronze medals in several prestigious international competitions, including the Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad Final Round, number 2, the Hong Kong International Mathematical Olympiad Final Round, number 3, the Hong Kong International Science Olympiad Final Round, number 4, the International Equilibrium Science Olympiad Final Round, next, the Macau Grand STEM Conclave, next, the Sino International Science and Mathematics Olympic, and lastly, the 7th Hong Kong Cup Territory-Wide Secondary Math Invitational. Their collective achievements, Madam Presiding Officer, include a remarkable tally of multiple gold, silver, and bronze medals, representing not only their school, but also the Philippines and the province of Occidental Mindoro. With distinction, each award reflects their mathematical and scientific brilliance, discipline, and perseverance. Qualities that serve as a model for today's youth and an inspiration for the entire province. Through this commendation resolution, sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Occidental Mindoro gives high recognition to the invaluable achievements of these young individuals and expresses deep appreciation to the Divine Word College of San Jose, their mentors, and their families for nurturing their excellence. Their international triumphs not only bring prestige to their institution, but also uplift the entire province, reinforcing Occidental Mindoro's reputation as a breeding ground of globally competitive Filipino scholars. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer, and thank you to Honorable Rod for supporting this ordinance, this resolution. Thank you,
Madam Presiding Officer,
Kailan ba sila
can
nanalo,
I have-
Bukal? Teka lang.
Madam Presiding Officer, may nanalo po ng 2024, pero in-exclude ko po yun, Madam Presiding Officer. Ang
matagal
kinikilala
na.
lang po natin ay ang mga 2025 winners, Madam Presiding Officer.
2025, anong month to, Bukal?
Nasa akin po, binigay din po sa akin, Madam Presiding Officer, may buwan po ng iba-ibang buwan, Madam Presiding Officer. Pero pumasok,
Akala
ma'am,
ko
for
very
2025
recent
po.
What months?
Oo nga.
Sige po.
What months?
Andito, ayan, ito po. Sa pinadala po sa akin, Madam Presiding Officer. Madam Presiding Officer, isisend ko po ngayon sa GC. Isisend
Okay
ko po.
po, okay
May February po. Ayan na, ma'am, nasa
February.
GC na po natin.
Yes, because the thing is, Madam Presiding Officer, you know what,
Bukalalan, you're
I share the
recognized.
manifestation of Bukal Road Agas. It has
Andyan
to
na
be
po.
timely. You know, but then if these awards or the accolades that these gentlemen or students from our province has garnered or have garnered these awards and accolades on the month of Feb, March, April, and today is already on the month of November. Secondly, Madam Presiding Officer, you know what? I think although it's an unspoken part of our internal rules of procedure, wherein if there are two differing opinions among the members of the committee, and I think it has to be solved first in the committee level for the approval of these resolutions, Madam Presiding Officer. So that's why it's really very important there is a committee report that to be submitted before approving any resolution or any ordinance to this assembly. Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, noted, Bukal Alan. Dalawa lang yung committee members na nandirito po today on rules, Bukal Attorney Juntioso and Bukal Rod Agas. So,
Madam
you
Chair.
resolve
So it has to be solved, Madam Presiding Officer, by the
What is the
majority.
pleasure of the floor, majority floor leader,
Madam Chair,
regarding
since,
this issue?
since hindi naman na rin timely na kasi hindi naman natin hinahabol yung oras, nabanggit natin sa mga nakaraang session na i-respect natin yung capabilities at yung decision making ng ating mga chairmans. Let's wait for the chairman na lang since hindi naman natin minamadali.
Bukal Aina,
Yes, ma'am.
you have something to say?
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. This representation, though not a member of the Committee on Rules, wishes to manifest lang po my insights. Since all these students came from one educational institution, if the honorable author is amenable to this representation's suggestion, maybe we can just give recognition to the school as a whole, no? So that we are not for the number, but I believe that the 15 Sanggunian is for the purpose of good quality legislative measures. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, noted, Bukal Aina. Hayaan na natin yung author kung tatanggapin yung manifestations. So what is the pleasure of the floor, majority floor leader? We differ?
Madam Chair, I strongly believe that the Committee on Rules chairperson is capable of decision making in his decision making. So I move for deferment as per our Committee on Rules co-chairperson.
Okay, noted.
Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal Rod Agas,
well,
recognized.
I withdraw my objection just to make everybody have a pleasing decision for a matter. It's not good that we are divided in congratulating one institution, so we must be acting as a whole. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Bukal Rod. Maraming salamat po. We now go to other matters. Bukal Tita Sonia Pablo, you're recognized.
Thank you very much again, Madam Presiding Officer. Before we forget, I would just like to congratulate Honorable Aina Baticados for the very successful conduct of the Ginoo and Binibini Occidental Mindoro event. No? Ayoko namang resolution. No, we saw a very high-level performance and preparation. I also saw how Bukal Aina really sacrificed her time, her sleep and resources. She was really very dedicated and passionate about this, how to make that successful. In fact, I was seated with the governor on the night of the pageant, and he was telling me that he really appreciated the stage, no? The stage, no? It's so world class, incomparable to other provinces. And I told them, yes, of course, you have to allot additional budget if you want to have that kind of stage. And I think he was convinced, Bukal Aina, so we will expect next year that it will be more grandiose. But anyway, our colleagues and the presiding officer, I know she's one, you are all one with me, that Bukal Aina Baticados deserve our congratulations because the event is really successful. Of course, without the support of the Honorable Vice Governor, it will not be that successful. So, thank you, Bukal Aina. Really.
Ma'am,
I really appreciate
to
it.
adapt lang.
Madam Presiding Officer.
Okay, thank you po. Oo, noted. Bukal Aina, thank you very much. Sobrang ganda talaga.
To adapt lang, ma'am,
Eh,
sa
Bukal Ryan?
yes, ma'am, to adapt lang
You're
dun sa resolution sa manifestation ni Bukal Sonia. Kung hindi po nalalaman ng ating mga kasamahan, ay napakaliit lang ho ng budget na ibinigay ng probinsya para doon sa Binibining Occidental Mindoro. So, lumabas naman ho na napakaganda. Siguro ay nasa diskarte na lang talaga nung naging representative natin. Thank you po, Bukal
Madam
Aina.
Presiding Officer.
Okay, noted, Bukal. Thank you. Bukal Alex, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. In connection po sa statement ng dalawang honorable colleagues po natin, siguro manifestation din po na isama din po siguro sa parangal, in oral lang po, yung members at saka yung mga naging kasama nung buong hindi lang naman siguro yung chairman ang nagtrabaho, kundi yung mga kasama, especially lahat ng may kinalaman po dito. Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer. No need for resolution kasi self-serving, Madam Presiding Officer.
Madam
Thank you.
Presiding
Puro board
Officer.
member. Pero, oo nga, maraming salamat. Bukal Aina, you have the floor. Thank you very much. You made us all proud. Ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Na proud kami.
Thank you very much po
Opo.
first. Kasi I'm getting emotional kasi we had 7 days of almost sleepless nights.
Oo. Tama.
With the presence of one of the vice chair. Hello. Sabi ko nga po, this is not just me alone. This is the work of the 15 Sangguniang, the support of the 15 Sangguniang, ang mga vice chair, Vice Gov Diana Pigotayag, ito naman, napaka-supportive. Honorable Alan Credo, our advisors, without your presence po, hindi po ito magiging successful. Bukal Rod Agas, Bukal Sonia Pablo, Bukal Arnel Algame, at sa lahat po ng mga members ng 15 Sangguniang, especially po rin sa mga kapwa po namin empleyado ng 15 Sangguniang. Alam po namin na hindi na ito mandato ng kontrata ninyo sa provincial government, pero tumulong po kayo ng walang hinihintay na kapalit. At sana po natuwa kayo, nasiyahan po kayo. Kasi ito po talaga ay pinagpaguran, pinaghirapan. And maraming kinaharap na challenge considering na nagkaroon po ng typhoon. We only had 2 days to prepare for the production. So, thank God. All glory to God. Thank you very much po.
Ayan. Congratulations, Bukal Aina.
Also, Madam Presiding Officer,
Bukal
I
Rod,
thought that
recognize.
the pageant itself is just a night, one night glitter. No, but no, it's nung naghihintay tayo ng releasing of Doves at pina-flash sa big screen sa LED wall yung palabas nung gabi. Sabi ko, napakagandang tourism material ng probinsya ito na pwede mong ipagmalaki, pwede mong ipalabas sa airports, sa mga ports natin, at para sa invitation sa tourism and trade. Kaya nag-invest man tayo ng kaunti, pero ang impact nito ay all throughout, pwede natin ipagmalaki, ipakita para mahalina kung gaano ka-inviting ang Occidental Mindoro, and that I really admire this young lady from the Sangguniang Kabataan. And napakagaling. At ang mga gowns niya, napakagaganda rin lahat. No? At siya ay beauty queen by her own right. And of course, ang support mo, Vice Governor, grabe. Kasi talagang ang mga judge, Miss Earth, kumain sila ng maganda, nakapahinga sila ng maganda. Kung hindi dahil sa hall na ito, ay hindi magiging ganon ang output sa tinatawag nating stage. So, thank you, Vice Governor.
Okay, thank you po.
More, Madam
Okay,
Presiding
Bukal
Officer.
Sonia Pablo.
I'm waiting also for the resolution. Sana may mag-sponsor, especially our Vice Governor, no?
Opo.
Recognizing the effort of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan during her birthday because of that beautiful synchronized dance performance by first-timers, no?
Ang galing niyo po.
Joke lang
Sobra.
yun. Joke lang yun na para lang mapasaya tayo, but we really enjoyed that night. So, thank you very much to everyone who participated.
Opo, thank you very much. Pero talagang sobrang proud tayo sa Ginoo at binibining Occidental Mindoro dahil may ibang taon na hinahawakan naman po yun ng ibang opisina. Pero ngayon hinawakan ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan sa pangunguna ni Bukal Aina Baticados na nagbigay ng 101 talaga % ng lahat na time, talent, and treasure niya sa gabing yon. Congratulations, Bukal Aina. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. Pero kasama po yung mga bukal at natutuwa po tayo na this year, compared sa mga nakaraan, ay gusto ko po kayong lahat pasalamatan, i-commend na talagang nakiisa po ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan sa lahat halos ng activities ng 75th founding anniversary ng Lalawigan. At maraming salamat po doon. Kahit yung District 2 nandito, mas marami laging nakakasama po sa bawat gabi ng ating palabas na sobrang na-appreciate po natin. Malaking bagay yun lalo na nung declaration po ng founding anniversary, nakaramdam talaga ako ng proud moment ko talaga, parang nanay, nakita ko ang dami-dami ng SP na nandun during the declaration of our 75th founding anniversary ng tanghali. Yun yung, ako naman doon ko kayo din po gustong pasalamatan. Pwedeng natulog na lang, pero nandun po kayo. Thank you very much. At asahan natin sa mga susunod na taon, dire-diretso po yung suporta natin sa ating celebration ng Arawatan Festival. Thank you very much po talaga. At syempre yung birthday ko, sobrang thank you po. Talaga doon gusto tumulong
Madam Presiding
ako.
Officer.
Pero sobrang saya ko lang. Sa rakrakan sa Arawatan, taon-taon na yan, gabi po natin yan dito sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Thank you.
Madam Presiding, gusto po namin i-commend din si Bukal Sonia. Muntik na po itong mahulog sa hagdan, kakatakas po sa inyo na makita niyo po yung dance steps niya.
Thank you, Tita Son. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Sana dire-diretso patuloy ang pagkakaisa natin sa lahat ng gawain ng SP para masaya lang po.
Madam Presiding Officer, since there are no other matters to discuss,
Okay, thank you.
I move that this meeting be adjourned.
Okay, thank you po. Next session sa San Jose po tayo. Maraming salamat sa makabuluhang session. Opo, pag-isapan na lang natin sa lunch. Session adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you.